Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Before we get into it, I'd like to say a big massive thank you to each and every one of you who like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. It helps with to fight the algorithm and push the message of Help Heal Serve out to a broader audience. Also, in the comment section below this video, you will see my Patreon, where I offer a wide range of spiritual services, including one-on-one shooting, etc, etc. Also, you can now become a channel member if you wish. Today, I'm going to talk about psychic thoughts and feelings, what they are and how they differ from normal thoughts and feelings, and why they are so important to understand. Psychic thoughts are those feelings that come from a source beyond our physical senses, such as our intuition, our higher self, our spirit guides. They are often spontaneous, unexpected and meaningful all the same. They can give us insight, guidance, warning and confirmation about something that is to happen or may already have happened in our lives. Here are some examples of psychic thoughts and feelings. This is the ability to know something without logical reason or evidence. It is often a gut feeling or a hunch that tells us what to do or something to avoid a situation. This is the ability to perceive or sense the future events before they actually happen. It can manifest in dreams, visions, flashes or impressions that show us what will occur. This is the ability to feel what another person is feeling, emotionally or physically. It can help us to understand or connect with others on a more personal, deeper level. This is the ability to communicate with another mind without using words or gestures. It can involve sending or receiving thoughts, images, emotions or sensations. This is the ability to see beyond the normal range of vision. It can involve us seeing auras, spirits, symbols, or scenes that are physically not present in the materialistic world. This is the ability to hear beyond the normal range of hearing. It can involve hearing voices, sounds, music, or messages that are not in the physical world. This is the ability to feel beyond the normal range of touch. It can involve feeling vibrations, energies, emotions, and sensations that are not in the physical world. These are just some of the types of psychic thoughts and feelings that exist. There are many more that you may experience or discover. Let us know down in the comment section what you have experienced. So, how can you recognize and develop your psychic thoughts and feelings? Here are some tips and exercises that you can try. Meditation is one of the best ways to quiet your mind and tune into your inner voice. It can help you to relax, focus and access your intuition and other psychic abilities. You can meditate by simply sitting in a comfortable position, closing your eyes and breathing deeply, focusing on your breaths. You can also use guided meditations, music or mantras to enhance your meditation experience. Visualization is the process of creating mental images of what you want to achieve or experience. It can help you to manifest your goals, attract positive outcomes, and activate your psychic abilities. You can visualize by imagining yourself in a situation that you desire, feeling the raw emotions that you want to feel, and seeing the detail that you want to see. You can also use affirmations, symbols, visualization power. Journaling. Journaling is a practice of writing down your thoughts and feelings on a regular basis. It can help you to express yourself, reflect on your experiences, and record your psychic impressions. You can journal by using absolutely anything, a notebook, a computer, or a phone app. You can write about anything that comes to your mind, such as your dreams, your intuitions, your synchronicities, or even just questions that randomly pop in your mind. Reading is the activity of absorbing information from books, articles, blogs, or other sources. It can help you to learn more about psychic topics, expand your knowledge, and inspire your curiosity. You can read by choosing material that interests you, such as books on psychic development, articles on psychic phenomenon, blogs or psychic experts, or even just stories of the unknown. Practicing is the act of applying what you have learned or experienced in real-life situations. It can help you to test your life skills, improve your confidence, and receive feedback. You can practice by doing exercises that challenge your psychic abilities, such as guessing cards, sensing energies, reading minds, or seeing visions. You can also practice by offering readings to yourself or to others. Some of the ways that you can recognize and develop your psychic thoughts and feelings. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. and share it with your friends. If you have any other questions, let me know down in the comment section what you want to know, or if there's anything that I've missed out. Also, remember to share your experience. Sharing is caring, and raising awareness for this is what we are all about. Until the next time, bye-bye for now. While we're passing the area, I thought it would be rude not to gather a little bit of footage. There you go, what do you reckon of that? I would love to do an investigation here at some point. It will be on the cards, but it's just a lot of money. A lot of money.